Today, I'm going to show you how to turn a photo into a cartoon using Leonardo AI, step by step. This is a super easy way to create fun stylized images for profile pictures, social media posts, thumbnails, character concepts, or just for creative experimentation. And the best part is, once you understand the settings, you can make the cartoon look more playful, more detailed, or more realistic, depending on the style you want. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Leonardo AI and go to the image generation section. This is where you'll create and edit AI images, and it's the starting point for turning your normal photo into a cartoon version. Once you're inside the image generation area, look at the left panel and click Image Guidance. This option is important because it lets Leonardo AI use your uploaded photo as a reference, so the final result stays based on your original image instead of generating something completely random. After that, upload the photo you want to transform. You can choose a clear portrait, a selfie, or any image that you want to turn into a cartoon. For the best results, use a photo with good lighting and a visible face or subject, because that gives the AI more detail to work with. Next, you need to set the mode. Open the drop-down menu and select Image to Image. This tells Leonardo AI that you want it to take your uploaded picture and convert it into a new version while keeping the original structure in mind. If you skip this step, the tool may generate a completely different image instead of transforming your photo. Now let's adjust the strength slider. Move the slider to the middle for a balanced result. This setting controls how closely the final image follows your original photo. If you move it lower, the result becomes more cartoonish and stylized. If you move it higher, the output stays closer to the original image and looks more realistic. So if you want a fun cartoon effect, keep it closer to the middle or slightly lower, depending on how dramatic you want the transformation to be. After that, choose your model. You can pick Leonardo Phoenix or Vision XL. Both are great options, but they can give slightly different results, so it's worth testing both if you want to compare styles. Leonardo Phoenix is a powerful choice for sharp, polished generations, while Vision XL can also deliver strong visual detail depending on your prompt and image. Once the model is selected, pick a preset. For this kind of cartoon transformation, select Illustration or Dynamic. Illustration is great if you want a cleaner drawn look, while Dynamic can help create a more energetic and expressive style. This part is where you can really shape the overall feel of the image. Now comes the most important part, the prompt. In the prompt box, type cartoon style, then add a short description of the image you want. For example, you could describe the person, the background, the colors, or the mood. The more clear and specific your prompt is, the better the result usually turns out. If you want a simple cartoon version of your photo, keep the prompt short and direct. If you want something more detailed, add extra style words like vibrant colors, bold outlines, soft shading, or animated look. Once everything is ready, click Generate and let Leonardo AI create the cartoon image. It may take a few moments for the tool to process your request, but after that, you'll get your transformed image based on the settings you chose. If the result isn't exactly what you wanted, don't worry. You can easily go back and adjust the strength, try a different model, change the preset, or rewrite the prompt to get a better cartoon effect. A lower strength usually gives you a more playful cartoon look, while a higher strength keeps more of the original photo details. That means a few small changes can make a big difference in the final image. So that's how to use Leonardo AI image to cartoon in just a few simple steps. Open image generation, upload your photo through image guidance, switch to image, adjust the strength, choose your model and preset, write your cartoon prompt, and hit generate. It's quick, creative, and really useful if you want to make your images stand out. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials, photo editing tips, and creator guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.